Hello viewers, have a good day. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to prepare study area map. You can say topographical map. So in previous video or you can say tutorial, we prepare different layer as a point layer, line layer as well as the you can say the polygon layer. So I have slightly modified this. So today we'll learn how this topographical map we can, after the digitization, how we can prepare as a map for the preparation of layout or you can say the output, the image of this topographical map. So how we can do that we'll learn in this tutorial. So for that first you should go the project and simply click here new print layout, and you should assign a name about your project. So I want to give a name as a topo final layout. Okay, then click on OK. So new window will open. You can enlarge and you can say reduce and maximize, you can do. So at first I want to say something about this layer panel. Okay, this symbol section in the left corner. So this one is the pen. That means whatever the map will appear here, we can move by the hand of this you can say pen layout. We can zoom in and zoom out by this. We can move the item content as well as the selected to move the you can say the layers. And this one is very important for the add map. So whatever we can see here, this map as a map, you can see here that will appear here after the using of this tool, that means this add map. Then add picture. If you want to add any picture, then you can add by this add level. If you want to write here the headings or other things, so you can we will use this add table. Then legend. For prepare a good legend, we will use this. Then scale bar, when we need to use a scale bar, or you can say we need to add a scale bar by using that. Similarly, not line we can use this, and if we want to give any shape, we can use this. So these are the basically things, or you can say shortcut menus by you can add everything from here. Okay, and these are the some other properties related to this layer. So I'll subsequently explain all of this within this video. So at first I want to add our layer here. So you can just simply click here this add map, and I want to select this area, because within this area, or you can say I want to select this area. Okay, so within this area I want to, you can say, represent my map, or you can say prepare my map. So you can see here. So but you can see that this is my the expected area. Okay, but my digitized area is showing like this. So I can simply do two things. One is that you simply enlarge the scale of this map. Okay, and second is thing that we can zoom it. Okay, just like this. Okay, so otherwise you can simply use your mouse wheel. Okay, and we can also, you can see, by the help of this we can move our the layers within this you can say the whatever we want to, or you can move within this expected layer. Okay, expected boundary. So if I want to increase or zoom my, you can say, study area, then simply go to the left, or sorry, right portion. You can see here item properties. Simply click here, and you can see here scale, and you can also see here the some scale, you can say the values is there. So the thing is that if we increase the scale size, map will be decrease, and if we decrease the scale size, map will be increase. So I want to give here like 2.5. Okay, so you can see here So our map now increase. Okay, and another thing we can do, we can also enlarge, or this you can say the boundary line also, to adjust with this image. Okay, we can do like this. Otherwise we can also do like this. Okay, I want to slightly, you can say, increase the scale size to adjust the you can say the layer, or you can say study area with my expected you can say the square. So after that you can see here, this move item only, after the selection I can move my map only. Okay, and if you select this, that means select move item, then only we can do like this. Okay, only after this. So you can see here, so I can adjust my map within this figure. So you can see here the move item has another work, and this select move item has another work. So by that we can you can say the adjust my map with my expected boundaries. Okay, and otherwise if I click outside of this map, okay, you can see nothing is there. That means the boundary is just, you can say, that's vanished. So I can give a simply click again here. Okay, double click here. So go to the below within site and properties. You can see here the frame. So if I check it, so you can say I can click outside of this map, and you can see one boundary sequence appear here. If you want to change the, you can say, this pattern, shade, color, you can change from here. So simply click here, double click, and you can change the color. Okay, for example, red. I want to take red. If you want to increase the thickness, so you can increase from here, millimeter, centimeter, inch, whatever. Okay, then I can simply click here just. Okay, simply click here outside. So you can see here now your boundary color has been changed. Okay, so we can do everything from here. So again I want to go here, simply here, item properties, click here. I want to change this as a black, default is good, simply click here. So you can see here the boundary line already fixed. So the thing is that first we want to give the label. Label means want to give the, or you can say I want to assign the name of each individual item. That means the river name, the settlement name, as well as the, you can say, the forest name. So how can I do like this here? We are able to do label here, but we can go again the main page. Okay, so at first I want to give the label of each river name. So go to properties. Okay, go to label. Within this no label, click on this drop down menu, select single label. Okay, select single label. So now you can see our value. Within this value, click the drop down menu and you can see the name. I retain the each individual river name as a within this name column. Okay, select name, and now we can see here the size, color. So size means the front size. I want to give front size as a 14, and you can also change the color also. Okay, and not only that, you can also change the position, etc., regularity, different things, bold, different things you can explore from here. So many things is there. Okay, then apply and okay. So now we can see that the name of each river. Similarly, if I want to assign the vegetation cover name, so similarly go to the properties, click on label, click on the single label. Okay, wait for some few seconds, then click on value, say forest type. Okay, then I can so want to assign as a 14, click on OK. So you can, this is the protected forest. Okay, similarly I want to give the name of each the rural settlement. Okay, click here, go to properties, then go to label, single level, then drop down menu, select name, select the font size. Okay, so you can see here. Not only that, you can also change the font type also. Okay, for example, go to properties, you can see here font, so I can select here Times New Romans. Okay, so go below, select Times New Romans, apply, and okay. Similarly, again I can go the river also, properties, select Time New Romans, then okay. And for vegetation also, go to properties, and select this Time New Romans. Okay, so we can see here the level of each layer. So you may go again the here, and here after the going here, after the opening this print layout, you just need to click on this refresh view. Okay, so after the refresh view we can see each and everything here. So now we can see each and everything very properly. Okay, so at first now we'll want to do, or you can say I want to give you can say the grid. Okay, so for that you can see here, you can go below, or you can search here grid. So you can see here with this item properties, click on grid, click on plus icon, select this grid one, click on the modify grid. So according to my choice, I can give the grid you can say the style of about the grid. So you can take grid type as a default and use series also. Okay, and this is the interval, this is very important. So if you have the large extension, that means more than 1 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, then you can take before point, that means 1 and 2. But if your extension is very less, so you can select after the point. Just like I want to select here only 0.01. Here also I want to select only 0.01. So I can check it here. Is it good for my you can say the study area or not? So if you think that yes, this is good for my study area, it's okay. So you can see here it's okay, all grid already available here, but I want to remove this grid, that means it's line. I don't want to it's line, I just want to just you can see the values of each grid. No problem, we can do that. So click here, simply just click here this drop down menu, and simply you can select this one. Okay, so now you can see here the all lines are vanished. So if you increase this, you can see here the lines appear dark and dark. If I go this side, the lines vanish, so you can select this one also. Okay, so after that go below, click on draw coordinate. So now you can see that the values of each latitude and longitude, but we need to modify this. First one, format. What format you want? I want to decimal with flux, right, or only decimal. So I want to decimal with the suffix, that means north, south we need. Then again go to you can see here these are the longitudinal values are horizontally, but the latitudinal value showing the also horizontally, but we need the vertically, you can say. For that you can see here the draw coordinate within this, you can see here left, right, top and bottom. So left and right, these two we need to vertically. So you can see here within this left, horizontally you should select the vertical ascending. You can see here the alignment also change. Similarly for the right also vertical ascending. So you can see here already all things are change. Okay, so now go below. So I want to change the font size also. So you can click here. You can select the Times New Romans from here. Okay, and you can also change the font size. Another thing. Okay, and you can also go below. So after that, click here this back button and go to the below, and you can see here coordinate position. That means after the coordinate how much point will be there. And now we can see here coordinate precision. That means after point how much, you can say how many point is there or number. So I can take it 2. So you can see here degree and minute, you can see here only. Okay, right? So everything is done within this you can say. Okay, so grid properties already done. So now we'll do this north line, scale and region. So I want to at first take the scale. So simply click here scale. Okay, and select some areas within this left portion. Okay, so I want to select this one. So after the selection, you can see here the scale. So after the selection of this section, you can see here scale as well as the scale bar option within this item properties. Okay, so now you can see here map scale style, single box, double box, line tricks, etc. like that. You can select different thing, and according to your, you may say that your choice, you can select here. And also you can say we can increase the scale size, the primary division, secondary division, etc. like that. Then you can go here within this scale bar unit. Here you can see meter, kilometer, feet, mile, centimeter, millimeter, etc. Our map is very small area, so I want to select only centimeter only. But you can select other thing also. You can see here after the selection of centimeter, only scale is showing like that 0.025, 0.05 centimeter. That means the areas is very small area. Okay, but for the large areas you can select the kilometer, okay, or yard, or you can say mile. Then you can see go the below. Okay, this is the primary segment. First on the primary segment, second on the secondary segment. So I want to give 2 primary section, and again go to 3 or you can say 4 secondary section. Okay, you can also change the you can see here this is our scale, but if you don't like this scale, so you can select here and take any scale from here. Okay, so several kind of, you can say, scale is there, so you can select this. So whatever you want, you can select from here. Okay, whatever you want, you can select here. So okay, I want to select this one. Okay, so now I can go to below section, and you can say the change the font size also. Okay, so you can also give the frame also by clicking here. So one frame will be covered by the scale, as well as if you want to increase the the font size, then click on display, go the below, and you can see here font. Simply click here font, and you may increase font size as a 14, as well as the type as a Times New Romans. Okay, so you can see here, or you can also increase the scale size, and you may also select as a bold. Okay, you may select as a bold or other things. Okay, so I want to select as a bold, so you can see here a scale. Okay, or you may, after the, you can say prepare everything, you may change, or you can say the move your scale bar anywhere within this map. Then I want to select the north line. Simply click here in this north line and select any areas within this. Okay, so I want to give the north line here. So after this, you can see several north line, you can say the other, you can see here, you may select from here also whatever you need or whatever you want. So you can select from here also. Several you can say north line arrows is there. So after that you can also increase the size and the shape of this north line. Okay, you may increase. Okay, or you can give this here also. Okay, so I will adjust this after the preparation of layer, or you can say preparation of legend. So most important thing is that legend. So simply click here, add legend, and select the location where you want to assign your legend. So I want to select this area. So you can see here the legend. Okay, so after that you can see at the right portion the main properties within this legend. So title, you can select here title as a legend. Okay, so you can see here the legend. Okay, so again go to the below. First one, you should uncheck this auto update. Okay, so all this layer is very necessary except this reference topo, because this is a raw map, raster map, so we don't need to display here. So you can simply select here and click on this red the minus, so that layer will vanish from here. Okay, and not only that, we also want to change the alignment as well as the spelling of this within this layer option. So you can say the change each and everything. Okay, this is a rural settlement, this shape, size, color, etc. you can change here. Okay, so go to the below, or you can simply select anyone. Okay, double click here, so you can see here the card track. So I want to remove this underscore. Okay, and you can go the below, the color, etc. like that of that. You can say width also as a default, height, everything you can change from here also. Go below, then on metal road I want to hide this. Okay, then go reverse. Okay, study area, so I can change here. So this is the study area. Okay, rural settlements, everything is okay. So everything is look like okay. Okay, then you can also go to below, and you can see here font and text formatting. So then legend title, subheading if is there anything. Okay, and other thing also is there, so you may write anything. So after that you can increase the font size. Okay, so go below, and you can see here legend font, group heading font, sub group heading font, then item level, and its item level you can select here. Click T times New Romans, so the times New Romans, you can also select this, click on bold. Okay, so you can see here, and you can also, you can say, increase the width of, you can say, the column and symbol also if you want. Okay, then position and shape, etc. you can change here. So no need to, I don't want to do like this, so I want to also highlight, or you can say bold the legend, or you can say the heading of legend. Click here, go to Times New Romans, select bold, and I can also select 20. Okay, so you can see here legend, and the position should be center, so you can also change the position also. Okay, so I can take it here. Okay, and I want to take this here. Okay, and I can also move the position here also. Okay, so then this middle portion, or I can also increase the shape and size. Okay, and I also can increase this one also. Okay, Okay, and I can also give the box or frame of this legend. Okay, so you can see here legend. Okay, and finally I want to give the heading name and to give the title. So select on this add level and select the areas. So I can write here the heading of this title here, simply within this main properties right here. You can write here socio physical location of the study area. Okay, or whatever you want to write. Simply go to font, select anyone. I want to select Times New Romans bold, and I want to select this 36. So you can see here. You can also increase like this. Okay. If you look like this, you may reduce also the font size. You can select or simply write here 32 like this. So you can see here you can select, so you can set it the central position, socio-physical location of the study area. Okay, and you can also change the color also. If you want to change, simply go below, go here, and you can see here font color, select the drop down menu, and you can select any color from here, the red or blue, other whatever you need. So I need to select red one. Okay, so after that I want to give one boundary line. Okay, so for that go to the add shape, add rectangular. So I want to give a boundary line. So I want to give here, or yes, I want to give from here. It is look like this. Okay, and I want to give the position. Okay, at first I want to give the position. Okay, so you can see here the whole study area actually disappear and showing the white color only. So no need to worry. So simply go to these item properties. Within this main properties, you can see here the style. Simply click here within this drop down menu, or you can see simply click here within this here. Click on this simple file. Okay, simple fill. So within this simple fill, you can see here the fill color, fill style, then a stroke color, etc. So here within this fill color, go to simply click here and select the transparent. Okay, so after the selection of this fill color, you will see the whole study area, but I want to give the, you can say, the boundary line as a in different color, and you can say this style. So you may also select from here. So you can see here the stroke style. So from here you can select anything. So I want to select this solid line, and you can also increase the stroke width. That means you can say the boundary line. Not only that, you can also change the color also. So whatever you want to need or want to do, give the assignment or color, you can give from here. Okay, any color you can choose from here. So whatever you need. Okay, so I want to select this green. Okay, so now you can see here this more or less I have already complete everything. Okay, so after then you should select this, or you can save this. So how you can save this? You can go layout, and within this layout you can see here the export as image, export as SVG, as well as export as PDF. So you can save as PDF also, you can save as a image also. So you can click here. So I want to select within this top, you can say one document like this, RS and GIS. okay, or you can say yes, within this I want to select here. Simply top of final layout, and you can select here the save as type. That means the format of the you can say output figure. So I want to give as a TIFF file format, okay, this one. Then click on save. Now you can see here the export resolution. So basically we can you can say the go with this 300 dpi, but if you need the more resolution you can increase 600, 500 or other whatever you need dpi, that means dot per inch, okay. Then click on the save, okay. So our you can see here export layer successfully exported. So go to the layer, and we can see here with this quick access I can open this topo final layout. So I can zoom it. So you can see here this is our front, you can say the output whatever we actually doing in this class. So like this you can do your work also. So thank you for watching, and keep subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you, and also pass some comment. Thank you for watching.